Where to find the best sites. Beaches and beach vacations. Hello. So you want to know more about the history of Cat Island? These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about the history of Cat Island is www.history.com. See the page titled History.com History Made Everyday American. Here's the link. Try also our second-ranked site en.wikipedia.org, especially the page History of Cuba, Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. Here's the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see en.wikipedia.org. The web page Cultural Depictions of Cats, Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. This is the link.